Alright guys, we are currently inside that Maybach, the S650. This is a newer edition Maybach. Pretty much brand new car. Has this really awesome interior. Very dark espresso brown color. It's got the diamond stitching, all that stuff. Really one of the dopest Maybach interiors I've seen. It's brown with black. The special part about this whole car is that we wrapped the entire outside exterior of the vehicle in almost a matching brown color. Well, I love when we were able to do like a matching wrap to the interior. It just gives it a more custom appearance. We did the jams, of course. So when you open the doors, the jams and the interior all flows together really nicely. We also did a full blackout, including powder coating the wheels. We blacked out all the chromes on there, all the emblems. We also blacked out the front grille, but we decided to do some brown accents on the front grille. We didn't want to just make it look like a full black front end, so we did some little wrap work on the front. Everything is reversible. Why not have a Maybach that looks a little bit different than everybody else's, at the same time stylish, still classy, and personalized. That's what it's all about when you're doing custom cars. We didn't damage anything on this vehicle. All we did is do simple things to it, and it's a whole entirely different looking car now. Customers gonna love it. Wraps are one of our strong points. We've been doing wraps for over 12 years. Any type of wrap you guys want, custom color, whatever, we do it. Right now we're gonna be doing a custom satin light blue color for a Ferrari. We've already chosen the color. We had it posted on Instagram. They don't make a very light blue, so we're opting to make our own version of it, which is gonna be really nice. Our YouTube is growing and growing. We're about to hit 500,000 followers, subscribers. Our videos are getting very impressive views, so we're gonna keep pushing hard for you guys. Make sure you're subscribed.
Yeah, so this Ferrari needs rotors and pads all around, making really bad noise. We had mentioned that we have to replace rotors too, but customer didn't want to. But now he's back here, so we have to probably do it the right way, like we said the first time. So that's that. So we have a 3 Series here. This car is in here for a lot of things. First of all, we're doing Bilstein shocks on this car, front and back. Also, it has a very large oil leak, so we're gonna go ahead and put a new valve cover gasket on the car, along with 2 rear tires, and we're about to do a brake job on this car also. As you guys can see, this thing it's got a really large leak, so that's what we're gonna do. Gonna clean this out, of course. We're not gonna put this back that way. This car should be back to 100% by tonight. LED headlights too? If it doesn't have LED headlights, I don't want it.
You have to put the stereo guide.
$5
No, but you can do upgrade. I already searched online. I'm gonna do that.
Is it built? Is it built already? I don't know.
No. You have to put the tire, those kind of stuff.
The tires and stuff.
Yeah.
But basically everything is, the seats and everything is built.
I think you have to put the seat. I think you have to put the seats.
That's a lot of work.
You have to order.
Are you gonna wrap it, Moses?
Yeah.
You have to order the 2-inch lift kit.
Vic is good at stuff like this, at building these things. Maybe he'll do me a favor and help me today build it.
You should order the 2-inch lift kit.
It's not gonna happen, buddy.
Yeah, he might do it. He might. If he's
no, he will. He will.
If he's in the mood, he'll do it.
No, he will. He will.
I got a good price on lift kits for this.
Yeah.
Sure you don't. What are you planning on doing with this, though?
Oh my God.
Look.
Oh,
shit. They got a supercharge.
It's a Hemi.
Yeah, Vic has to help me on this one. I can't build this.
Why'd you get green? You should have got black.
We have the stickers to and everything. Oh.
Oh, that shit dope.
This is a lot of work, man.
You should get RDB plates.
Okay.
Instead of this.
You got like 4 mechanics back there.
Look, it's Hemi.
They can't even do an oil change on a Camry.
Look, it has GPS.
The car?
Oh, that's GPS.
Yeah.
And it told you that it's a Hemi.
Moses,
Yeah.
what are you planning on doing with this thing though?
I'm gonna train it home.
This is for my 4-year-old kid. Take it home so he can have some fun. I promised him a car, so I finally got him one after 4 years.
Alright guys, we have this G-Wagon 4x4 right here. This is a very special film right here. I don't even know what to call it. It's literally a white, a pink, every fucking time. White, pink, and a touch of green, I guess. It's very hard to capture this on camera, I'm sure. But this customer wanted to do a satin white with a hint of pink. So we found this for him. It's a 4x4 G-Wagon that we helped facilitate for him from one of our actually customers selling it. So from another client to another client, and now it's getting wrapped. It has a full Brabus kit already, so a really dope 4x4. It used to be purple, so we're gonna be finishing up this big boy right now, and on to the next one.
This is one crazy unique color on the wrap. You won't see this on the streets too much, I'm gonna tell you that much. You can see all the black parts on the car that are all done, blacked out. Also, we added a few nice things on this car, so let's take a look. This is very important to have on this crazy 4x4. Take a look at the steps. Very fast and very reliable. We're having the car detailed at the moment right now. It's almost ready. Tow truck is right there. Customer's excited. Let's get this thing out of here.
Let's see how it works, Moses. Get on there. Hold on. There you go.
Yeah, this thing is really, really tall, so you need one of these for sure.
Wait. Where do they have to go to get these?
And you can, by the way, you can only get this done at RDBLA. So come visit us for all your automotive needs. Bye.
A lot of people have been asking for the air fresheners. We ran out of our old RDB air fresheners. We have a new source, and now we're gonna have 4 scents. The signature rose right here. We're gonna have a watermelon scent, a wave scent, and we're also gonna have a top secret scent. This is the first time we're smelling the top secret one, to be honest, and we're gonna have Moses be the judge.
Amazing. It really
Such a lot.
No, it smells good. It smells good.
It does smell
It
good.
does smell good.
He's like, amazing.
It smells really good.
Smell it, guys.
It smells good. That's actually a really nice one.
Yeah. So it's not too strong. It's like
It's
a
like
cologne kind of vibe.
Yeah. It smells like some kind of fragrance you would buy at the mall or something. It smells really good.
I like it. We do have a limited supply again, so we're gonna be reordering as time goes by. But again, limited supply, 4 different scents online now.
On to the next one.